Hello my dear students. Today I will discuss about few more questions and answers. The topic name is Introduction to Object Oriented Programming Concepts Part 2. The next slide contains the next part of questions and answers. Question number 6. What are programming paradigms? Give names of some popular programming paradigms. A programming paradigm is a way of programming that is used to classify programming languages by their features. It is an approach to programming. The names of some popular programming paradigms are as follows. A. Procedural or modular programming. Number B. Object-oriented programming. In short, OOP. Question number 7. What is major characteristic of procedural programming? Answer. The major characteristics of procedural programming are as follows. Number 1. It uses top-down approach. Number 2. The program is divided into smaller blocks of programming codes called procedures or functions where each procedure performs a specific task. Number 3. The logic of a program is easy to develop. The next slide contains the next part of questions and answers. Question number 8. What is major characteristics of modular programming? How is it similar to procedural programming? Answer. The major characteristics of modular programming are as follows. A. In modular programming, a program consists of modules which in each cases work independently of all others. Number B. Each module can work with its own data as well as with the data passed to it. Modular programming is similar to procedural programming by using module or procedure. Question number 9. What are the shortcomings of procedural and modular programming approaches? Answer. The shortcomings of procedural and modular programming approaches are as follows. A. They become complex to understand and develop. Number B. They emphasize on procedures rather than data. The next slide contains the next part of questions and answers. Question number 10. Write a short note on object-oriented programming. Answer. Object-oriented programming. The process of wrapping up of data, field name and functions, that is procedure, into a single unit called class is known as object-oriented programming. Examples of object-oriented programming are C++, Java, Ruby. Object-oriented programming depends on two aspects. One, object, and number 2 is class. Question number 11. How does OOP overcome shortcomings of traditional programming approaches? Answer. The shortcomings of object-oriented programming approaches are as follows. A. OOP is closer to real-world model. Number B. It supports hierarchical relationship among different objects through inheritance. Students, in this session I have discussed about some questions and answers. Hope all of you have understand this part very well. That's all for now. Thank you.